Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. I know you've seen the thumbnail and I know you read the title. Yep, we are going to be making the Big Mac sauce, which is perfect for this time of the year with all the barbecues that are going on, especially for this weekend. You got 4th of July coming up and I know everyone's going to be barbecuing. So this is something different you can put on your burgers instead of, your typical mustard and ketchup and lettuce and tomato. This will bring some flavor to your burgers. So let's get started. Okay, here I have 1 cup of mayo, 4 teaspoons of yellow mustard, and right beside it, 4 tablespoons of ketchup. Here I have dill pickled relish. And here I also drain most of the liquid off because I don't want the sauce to become too runny. So that's 4 tablespoons of that. 2 teaspoons of vinegar. And here is a spice blend for this condiment, which consists of 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and a half a teaspoon of salt, and a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a half a teaspoon of onion powder. And here I have a bunch of minced onions. We're going to be using only 4 tablespoons of this, so let's get to mixing. First, I'm going to add this. Let's get all of this out. All right. Let's get all of it. Let's not waste anything. Okay. Then I'm going to go in with the mustard and ketchup. The order really doesn't matter because, it's all going to be mixed up. It would matter if we were going to be cooking this sauce down, but of course we are not. Okay. Let's get that dill pickle relish. And again, if you're going to use the dill pickle relish, well, if you have that at home, that's the best. If you're using the sweet relish, you won't have to add sugar, but using the dill pickle relish, you're going to have to add sugar to this dish. And let's do our spice blend. Dump those all in. All right. Add that vinegar. And the 4 tablespoons of finely minced onions. That's 2, 3. This stuff smells so amazing. It's like I can smell the Big Mac sauce already after it's made. 4. And guys, feel free to use as much onions that you like, but I'm going to stick to the recipe right now. Okay, and now we'll just mix it up. Scrape everything off of the sides and make sure you get that bottom. Guys, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe to this channel so that you can get more recipes and see the other, upcoming dishes that I'll be preparing for you guys. All right, guys, and there you have it. Your mac sauce. This will definitely be a game changer at your barbecues. So I highly suggest that you use this. Who doesn't love a good Big Mac sauce on a perfectly cooked burger? Look at that. All right. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll be back with another one.